Hi dear friends, so today we are going to see the basics of solar photovoltaic system. So we all know that generally the solar photovoltaic system is used to convert sunlight into electricity. So for this purpose we required PV cells, so that is photovoltaic cell. So we are going to see the basics of solar cell. So first of all, solar energy. Solar energy is the ultimate source of energy that we are getting from the sun, which is naturally replenished in a short period of time. For this reason, it is called as renewable energy. So we are getting this continuous supply from the sun. That's why it is renewable energy. It is not going to end within some years or some days. So it is a sustainable energy source. So to take the advantage of solar energy, the variety of technologies is used to convert solar energy to heat and electricity. So there are two forms. The first one is solar thermal system and the second one is your solar photovoltaic system. Generally, the solar thermal system is used only for the heating applications and the solar photovoltaic system is used only for the electricity production category. The use of the solar energy involves energy conservation because it is the way to use energy source that comes from the nature and uses it more wisely and efficiently. That way includes solar cell, which is described as follows. So what is solar cell? So solar cell is also known as photovoltaic cell. So this PV cell generally made up from the semiconductor materials. Semiconductor materials mean what? They are not fully conducting the electricity and they are not fully insulator. So they are standing in between these. So this is semiconductor. So generally the materials such as silicon, gallium, arsenide and cadmium, telluride, etc. So these are some types of semiconductor material. So out of these, silicon semiconductor material is much popular. So this solar cell converts sunlight directly into electricity. When the solar cell absorbs sunlight, the free electrons and holes are created at the positive or negative junctions. So if the positive and negative junctions of the solar cell are connected to the DC electrical equipment, current is delivered to operate the electrical equipment. So because of this sunlight, when the sunlight is falling on striking on these semiconductor materials, so because of this the electrons flow gets started and so it is responsible to create the electricity. So there are different types of solar cell. Major means there are three major types of solar cell. The first one is your polycrystalline solar cell, then second one is your monocrystalline solar cell, and then third one is your thin film. So generally the polycrystalline solar cells are much more in cost, but they are having the higher efficiency. The monocrystalline solar cells are good because they are cheap in cost and efficiency is also better, and thin film solar cells are generally used for commercial applications because they are very thin in size and we cannot use it in our day to day in for household uses. Now how solar cell works? So this is the figure, so by which we come to know that when the photons strike on the semiconductor material, so the holes and electrons get formed. The electrons there which are inactive in nature get activated because of this sunlight and they moves around this semiconductor material which is responsible to create the electricity. So generally semiconductor materials, the silicon consists of N type of semiconductor material and P type of semiconductor material. So with the help of this P and N junction, the solar cell forms. So in detail how it works: when the sunlight strikes solar cell surface, the cell creates charged carrier as electrons and hole. The internal field produced by the junction separates some of the positive charge, that is holes, from negative charge, that is electrons. So holes are swept into positive or P layer and electrons are swept into the negative or N layer. So when a circuit is made, free electrons have to pass through the load to recombine with positive holes. Current can be produced from the solar cells under the illumination. The